Alright, good morning people. Come spend a day with me as a software engineer intern working in fintech. And I'm just gonna take you guys through my day, what I do, how my day looks like as a software engineer intern. Today I'm going to be going into the office. My role is a little bit different. It's a hybrid role, meaning you can work either in the office or you can work from home. Sometimes you do have an hour requirement, you need to work in the office, and the rest of the hours you can just work from home. But since I want to take you guys along on what my day looks like, I think it's just best we go into the office. So we're going to be heading into the office today. I'm going to assume the office is going to be pretty empty today just because it's a Friday, and most of the office works remotely on Fridays. So the office is literally empty on Fridays. But I think that's best for me because I hate filming around people. So that's a win for me. Let's go. Alright, good morning. It's currently 9:40 in the morning and I just finished looking at all my emails and Teams messages. I do have a meeting in the next 20 minutes at 10 o'clock. But for those of you guys who don't know me, let me just do a brief introduction. My name is Levi. I am a software engineering major at the University of Cincinnati and I am currently going into my final year. And I am also a software engineer intern here at Synchrony Bank in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I am currently going into my second rotation with them, if I'm not mistaken. I think May 2026 will make it a year since I've been here at Synchrony Bank. But yeah, it's been an amazing experience working here at Synchrony Bank, and I just wanted to bring you guys along to see what a day in my life as an intern, a software engineer intern, looks like here at Synchrony. It's been a while since I did one of these day in the life vlogs. I think the last one I did was sometime around this time last year. That was a day in the life of a software engineering student at the University of Cincinnati. But you know, I think I'm back. I think. So I am currently in a very weird transition phase. So I don't have a team per se. I am in between transitioning from a team to another team. So I am currently teamless as it is. I have met with my new team, but I'm yet to onboard with them. My laptop and my development environment is still based off on my old team. So it's gonna take a couple weeks before I can get everything set up for my new team. So right now it's like I don't really have much to do, but I do have a couple tickets still left from my previous team I need to close out before I officially leave them. So today I am just gonna be busting out those two tickets. And it's funny because it's those two specific tickets that I have been procrastinating just because it's boring and I don't really know how to go about it. But right now I just have to complete it before I leave. I want to leave them in a very good state and also want to leave them with a good relationship so they have good things to say about me, because I don't want to leave and they'll be like, oh, Levi, that intern that left this pile of mess on this team. Nah, I don't want that. So I am just gonna clean out those tickets, clean out my Jira queue. That's all I have to do today. Also, I have a meeting with a new intern. So we hired 2 new interns in the Ohio office, and I was assigned one of them to be like an intern buddy. It's like your intern friend, and you just like meet with them, talk to them, kind of like onboard them, just someone to welcome you basically. So I have a meeting with him at 10 o'clock. I'm excited to meet him. I don't know a lot about him yet. I just know they just hired him last week. So this call is just going to be me getting a lot of information about him, just learning about him and knowing how I can be of assistance to him. Hey Joseph. Okay, can you hear me? Hey, what's up? How's it going? Right now, so after my first rotation, I requested to switch teams. So my previous team used to be a front-end team. If you stay here for your first rotation, that's like roughly about 6 months, and you can like say for sure that this is one thing I gained from this internship, then you just wasted 6 months. I mean, yeah, you got the money, but it's like you have no professional growth in your career, right? Yeah, so the way it works at Synchrony when you're a software engineering intern is every semester, or I mean, it depends on your team, right? Some teams will do per semester, some teams will do per rotation, but you're given an assignment, right? It's like, hey, Joseph, sorry, I messed up your name. They'll be like, hey, Joseph, here's this problem we're currently facing in our team. Go figure out a solution, right? All right, it's currently 10:50. I just finished my call with the intern. The call lasted for about like 45 minutes, and he had a lot of really good questions, and he seemed pretty chill. He seemed like a pretty chill dude, and the most important thing was that he was asking a lot of the important questions, which is good. But I also had an 11 o'clock meeting scheduled with my manager, but he rescheduled because I think something came up and he couldn't jump on the call at 11. So that was rescheduled for Monday. So right now I'm just gonna lock in on work. I have those 2 tickets I need to try to complete. The first one won't probably take me that long. The second one, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Alright, quick progress updates. I am done with the first ticket. That was pretty easy. It was just a minor UI change. The second one though, I am still working on. I haven't completed it yet, but it is currently 1 o'clock and I'm gonna start heading home. It's Friday and most people usually work half days, but the main reason I am going home is we are expecting a snowstorm tomorrow, and my mom just called me and told me to literally go stock up on things, essential things that I would need in case the powers go out or I can't leave my house for at least a couple of days. So I am gonna run to the grocery store and just grab a couple things, probably just water. I have a lot of other things at home. Probably just need to grab water, and I think I'm good. Once I'm done with the grocery store, I'm gonna head back home and try to complete this ticket. But I would be working outside official hours just because I've already pretty much completed my hours for the week. So anything I'm doing after now is after hours. But I desperately need to get this ticket done before next week, because by Monday next week I will be officially in a new team, and I'm trying to get this ticket done. So let's run to the grocery store real quick. Alright, I just got home. I'm just coming from the gym. I went to the gym after the grocery store, and as I was coming in, I realized we have a package from today's video sponsor, which I am super pumped about. Like, I am so excited to unbox this. You guys don't know how long I've been waiting for this package to arrive. Like, It's amazing, trust me. We're gonna unbox it later. Right before I left the office, I messaged my manager about that second ticket, asking for direction on how to go about it. And it turned out that he's actually working on it. Actually, he's not the one working on it. He assigned it to some other person to complete it. So I don't have to really do anything on that second ticket. So the only thing I have to do right now is to do the code review whenever that person submits a PR, just to make sure that, you know, everything looks good. Because I was originally assigned that ticket and I own the ticket, so I have to review the code before it's approved, basically. That's really good because, bro, I was stressing on how I was gonna figure it out. That's why I had to message him to ask for help. But I'm glad someone else is already working on it and I just have to do the PR. So right now, let's just go unbox this chair from OKUp. I am super pumped for it because my current chair is nothing to write home about. It is completely trash. So when I got that email from OKUp that they wanted to send me one of their new lineups of chairs, I was like, bet, because bro, I was actually on the edge on buying a new chair, so this worked out pretty good. Look at this headrest. Doesn't this look like something you would find on like an airplane or something? Like, this is massive. What? Nah, this is actually crazy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is crazy. Just the quality of the leather and the materials is actually insane. Hey, so I just finished setting up the M7 chair. In fact, that's what I'm actually sitting in right now. And believe me when I tell you, this feels like I'm sitting on a pilot's chair. Like, it's insane. What I'm most excited about is the functional comfort. This thing has ventilation, heating, and massage right in this whole chair. Like, it's insane. I still can't get over the quality of the leather. Like, I have never seen this quality of leather in a chair before. Like, trust me, I have used chair. Like, I have used chairs, and I've never seen this quality of leather in my life. Also, this thing has a dual motor reclining function, meaning I can adjust the leg support and I can also adjust the backrest if I want to. This section here is what I like to call the control center. Like, literally everything you want to adjust in this chair is by your right hand side, which makes it extremely comfortable and easy to reach and just adjust whatever you want to. And it's like I can go into like the sleeping mode in just like 2 presses of a button, and I can get back up if I want to. Like, this is amazing. Like, I have never seen a chair like this. And from this little control center over here, you can adjust your ventilation, you can adjust your heating, you can turn on the massage. And it also has different massage modes still. Like, you don't just have one mode. I think there are like several of them. Like, you can choose several massage modes, and it's mind-blowing. I am surprised myself. Like, I'm surprised about how surprised I am with the quality of this chair. Yo, I have left a link in the description to this exact chair if you want to check it out. They also make a variety of other chairs if you would like to check them out, but I definitely 100% recommend this M7A. If you get this chair, text me on Instagram about your first opinions about the chair because it's amazing. All right, guys, I'm sorry if that took so long, but I genuinely haven't been this excited about a chair before, so pardon me. But yeah, also, there were so many parts in this day in the life video that I didn't include in the final video just because of the timing. It's already too long as it is right now, and I don't want to add more to make it longer. So what I'm gonna do is the other parts of this vlog, like when I talked about what I'm actually doing, like my specific responsibilities on my team, and you know, my gym session if you guys are interested, and also like my meeting with my manager, those things that are not classified by my company, I would want to post them on Instagram. So those couldn't make it to the day in the life vlog, but I will be posting them on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is your chance or your incentive to go follow me on Instagram. I will be posting that on Instagram throughout this week. It's funny because a lot of you guys don't know what I actually do on my team as a software engineer intern. And I know that's one of the popular questions I get in my DMs on Instagram, like, hey Levi, what do you actually do? What programming languages do you use? And all those things. I answered all of that in that specific segment that I will be posting on Instagram. So definitely go follow me on Instagram if you are interested. But also I just want to say, like, this year is starting off strong and pretty good for me career-wise. You know, switching into this new team is going to give me a new perspective as a software engineer and also help me learn a lot more and grow. The team I'm going to be transitioning into is a back-end team. My previous team was a front-end team, and just going into a team that is primarily a backend team. They handle one of the critical services or products of Synchrony Bank, and there's a lot to learn. Like, also my new manager or my new mentor on that team he is cracked. Like, he's a genius, right? So I am really excited about this new journey and this new team. And trust me, I will keep you guys updated. I will be making a lot more of this day in the life vlogs and actually give you guys details. I don't want to create day in the life vlogs where I only give you guys a high level visibility on what I'm doing. I want to create this day in the life videos with the intention to actually show you guys details of what I do, why I do what I do, and, you know, the results of my work, right? As long as it's something I can share on the internet, right? I will give you guys the details, right? So that's the whole purpose of this day in the life vlog. So I will definitely keep them coming. Let me know what you guys think about this specific vlog. Take it easy on me because I am slowly getting back into my groove. It's been a while since it's been a while since I made any video at all, but it's also been a while since I made vlogs specifically. So let me know what you guys think about this, and hopefully you guys like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Peace.